Alright, what's up guys? My name's Jacob. I'm here to show you my bike. Alright, so starting with the frame, I got a 2015 Kink Launch. I like it. It's decent. Good for the beginning. Moving up, I got the Kink Wolf bars, 8.5 rise. Again, decent. Stem, I got a Kink Bold FLD 50mm front load stem. It's alright, just a stem really. Forks, I got Kink Volt. These came stock, like the bars, the forks, and the stem all came stock with the 2015 Kink Launch. But moving back to the coaster, I got a Colony Free coaster. I like it. Decent. It's laced to a Colony rim. I don't know which one. Just one. Sprocket. I have Garrett's old fit sprocket that came with his bike, because mine, bent because Mission Cypher. The cranks, I got Sunday Saker cranks with Merit P1 pedals. And up to my front rim, I got just some ramp rim that I needed to get real quick. And I got just some shitty pegs on here, if anyone matters about that. But up to the tires, I got Fit TAs, gum, obviously. But yeah, I need to get some new ones soon. They're wearing down. But up to the seat, I got a Verde Pendleton. I put it on today. I haven't really worn it. Oh, I missed the grips. Up the grips, I got the Colt Vans. These are worn down. I'm going to get some new ones soon. But bar ends, I got Odyssey Par ends. And yeah, I think that's it. That's it.